Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your username on the Raid Shadow Legends game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Raid Shadow Legends game on your device, and once you open it up, you will be taken into the home page after you have completed the basic tutorial level. Now from this page, in order to change your username, just tap on your player icon at the top left corner. You will then be taken into the settings page. Now from here, tap on player info and you will see the change username button. Go ahead and tap on this and you will be allowed to change your username. Type in your desired username and tap on confirm, and now your username will be changed successfully. If you wish to change this once again, you will need to use your in-game currency and spend some points in order to change your name once again. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your username on the Raid Shadow Legends game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.